QNT is quietly preparing for a massive move, and these signs are impossible to ignore. So, today I'll be breaking down exactly why prices could explode sooner than you think with a utility run, no sell pressure for QNT, and just overall market growth. So, make sure you stay around towards the end of the video. Now, if you hold QNT or just enjoy watching the QNT videos, be sure to leave a like down below. And with that said, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so a quick reminder for every video that we make that this is not financial advice and for entertainment purposes only. Nothing in crypto is guaranteed and you could lose all of your money. Stay safe and do your own research. The first point I want to go into is market growth, the real reasons why QNT is going to explode. Just the difference in terms of market cap for the same position right here. December 2024, we can see QNT's price at $162, around that 70 rank out of all cryptos in terms of market cap. If we go back 8 months, there is a $40 difference for the same position, a $400 million market cap difference, which shows there has been growth in the crypto market. And this is no secret. We've spoken about this before, where every peak of a different cycle, there is a threshold to get into the top 10, top 20, and top 50. Look at the difference here between 2021 and the 2017 peak. What will it be for this one? And everyone is always talking about their crypto entering the top 5, top 10, top 20 of cryptocurrencies. But just if their crypto stays within the top 50 of cryptocurrencies to the market cycle peak, that would be a significant increase from where we are right now. Moving on also to market growth outside of crypto, which QNT is involved in, is asset tokenization, expected to grow to 16 trillion by 2030. When you think about tokenization of art, commodities, stocks, property, Quant Network offer tokenization services. And they are doing this by connecting tokenized assets across different blockchains, creating liquidity and accessibility. Right? Imagine tokenized real estate on Ethereum being bridged to another chain. Quant Network enables this. Moving on also to CBDCs, another big part of Quant's use cases where government interest is surging. Over 130 countries are experimenting with pilots rolling out from India and China. This is massive, right? Quant has always been a part of the conversation with these pilots and experiments. And CBDCs require blockchain interoperability to integrate with existing payment systems, banks, and global networks. Quant Network connect traditional banking infrastructure with blockchain technology. It's a match made in heaven. Moving on to the second point, we have a utility run. This is already taking place, and we're seeing this surge the price of QNT right now. First example being XRP, outperforming Ethereum, the second valued cryptocurrency, and QNT is the biggest utility token of them all. Most recent example is being part of the UK regulated liability network alongside we have Visa, MasterCard, Barclays, HSBC. And so designed by 11 of the world's leading financial institutions and developed by our free and Quant network. Also, moving on to the utility of the actual token rather than the company. Great tweet here by Knowledge Up Only. You can see demand for the actual token QNT, right? Community gateways for staking, yes. This was confirmed by the CEO Gilbert Verdin. You have licensing, overledger interactions, so many recurring revenue models that are purchasing demand for QNT. And this plays into the third point we have here with no sell pressure. Well, obviously there is sell pressure. People are going to sell their QNT on exchanges whenever they feel like it, but I mainly mean towards the team, right? No QNT has left the team wallet in over 3 years. Majority of these crypto projects out there are selling their crypto to survive. This is a business that survives without that. And that also plays into the fixed supply dynamic of 14.6 million tokens. It's capped. It's similar to Bitcoin's scarcity narrative, where there's a fixed supply and ever-growing demand. You can expect this to follow through and potentially mimic Bitcoin's trajectory. Right. Also, 2 weeks ago, before this takeoff took place, when there's a lot of FUD around QNT, we spoke about how few there was on spot exchanges. Laura also highlights this, and with Bitcoin, there is few on exchanges, but while Bitcoin is held by countries, QNT is working with countries. And the supply is still low. What do you think is going to continue to happen? Moving on to the final point we have are the charts for QNT. RSI entering the overbought zone. Momentum is showing still a long way to go. We're looking for a huge weekly close, and we've broken above the yearly open. I think things are starting to kick off. And I am looking for the $200 zone to be broken. We have not broken it this bull run. Right? We broke $200 in the bear market. Everyone was going crazy about QNT, but we haven't broken it in the bull run just yet. So that is what I'm looking for. But that's going to be pretty much it for today's video. The main reason I wanted to talk about this was actual just market growth. Right, so many people are focused on cryptos entering the top 5, top 10, top 20, but just because of market growth, the threshold increasing, to be in the top 40, 30, where QNT has been before, the threshold could be 5 billion, it could be 10 billion. That is a significant increase for QNT, and it could go even higher. But if you made this fun a video, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.